CoConstruct is a powerful tool that streamlines communication between builders and their clients, solving many common frustrations. Whether you're a contractor or a homeowner, having clear, transparent communication is crucial to a successful construction project. CoConstruct is designed to help you do exactly that, and I'm going to show you how it can completely transform the way you manage projects and collaborate. One of the key features that makes CoConstruct stand out is its centralized platform. Builders and clients can access all the necessary information in one place, from project details to financial updates. No more sifting through emails or chasing down information across multiple platforms. Everything is organized, making it easier for everyone to stay on the same page. Next, the real-time updates are a game changer. With CoConstruct, both builders and clients get instant notifications for any project changes, whether it's an update on the timeline, a change in costs, or a new decision point. This means no surprises down the line, and everyone can make informed decisions as things evolve. The third thing that really sets CoConstruct apart is the visual project management tools. Builders can share progress photos and timelines directly with clients. This isn't just about sending an update, it's about showing the actual progress on site, so clients can see things as they happen. This keeps the process transparent and builds trust, which is essential for a good working relationship. And here's where it gets even better. CoConstruct also provides a client portal that gives homeowners easy access to their project details. They can review budgets, approve selections, and make changes directly through the platform. This cuts down on phone calls, emails, and miscommunications, helping to keep the project moving smoothly. Next, CoConstruct makes it easier to track and manage change orders. This is crucial because changes are a natural part of any construction project. With CoConstruct, both builders and clients can easily manage and track those changes without losing track of budgets or timelines. It's all right there, visible to everyone involved, reducing the chance of errors or misunderstandings. Now, here's a point that often gets overlooked: CoConstruct's financial management tools. Clients can track their project's financials directly in the platform. This means there's no confusion about what's been paid, what's outstanding, and what's coming up next. It also gives builders a chance to easily create and send invoices, making the payment process clear and straightforward for everyone. Now, before we wrap up, I want to make sure you know you can actually try CoConstruct for free. That's right, you can get access to all these amazing features with an exclusive extended free trial by using the link below. This is an incredible opportunity to experience firsthand how CoConstruct can improve communication between you and your clients. By now, you should have a pretty good understanding of how CoConstruct streamlines communication, minimizes confusion, and keeps everyone on the same page. If you're looking to take your construction projects to the next level, I highly recommend giving it a shot. Don't forget to check out the link below to grab your exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching!